Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Mondo82. Hey, I just bought another camera, actually today. It's a Nikon Coolpix LA10. I mean, from looking at this camera looks a lot better compared to the other three that I have. You know, just looking inside here and everything, I can tell the picture quality is a lot better. Now I want to see how this thing sounds with bass going into the mic. This camera was $279. I only paid $229 for it. They had like a little sale going on, so. And then 16 megapixels too. I don't know how it sounds over the camera, but it looks very clear to me. Play something else. Play some rap. Can't have it too loud because I'm inside my garage and people live here. So you guys tell me what y'all think about this camera, and y'all hit me back. Alright, later, YouTube.